Some wars end, others do not. They merely pause. In the 20th century, humanity experienced two world wars, traditionally separated by dates, treaties, and memorials. But one physicist questioned that separation. Pyotr Kapitza, best known for his work in low-temperature physics, was also deeply interested in history. He proposed a radical idea. The First and Second World Wars were not two conflicts, but one prolonged historical event, a single catastrophe, interrupted only by a fragile pause. According to this view, the period from 1914 to 1945 represents a phased transition of human civilization, not a sequence of mistakes, but a structural transformation. Empires collapsed, political systems mutated, technology accelerated beyond moral control. The so-called peace between the wars did not resolve the forces that caused the first, it preserved them. Economic instability, unresolved territorial disputes, humiliated nations, and rapidly advancing industrial warfare continued to build pressure. The world did not heal, it rearmed. In physics, a phase transition occurs when a system accumulates stress until it can no longer remain in its old state. Ice becomes water, stability becomes turbulence. Kapitza argued that humanity crossed such a threshold. Total war, mass mobilization, genocide, nuclear weapons. These were not anomalies. They were symptoms of transformation. From this perspective, World War II was not a new war. It was the continuation of a system that failed to stabilize after the first shock. Only in 1945 did the phase transition complete. A new global order emerged: bipolar power, permanent military readiness, and the constant shadow of annihilation. Peace returned, but it was no longer innocent. If Kapitza was right, then the question is not why the Second War happened, but why we believed the first one had truly ended. History, like physics, does not forgive unresolved tension. It only postpones the release.